steal their personal information by sending them phony message that appears to be from a reputable source. Then comes identity theft and fraud. The fishers use the information they've gathered to make illegal purchases or commit fraud. How to avoid this? Most of the phishing has specific properties. You have to look closely the sender email, like for example dlsud@dlsub.edu.ph instead of dlsud@dlsud.edu.ph, or at amazon.com instead of amazon.com, or Onion Bank instead of Union Bank. Another is they use generalized way of addressing someone, like dear customer instead of dear Miss Cruz. It's not personalized. Another way is you can also hover over the redirect links and see where they actually redirect you to, like wwf.dlsub.edu.ph instead of www.dlsud.edu.ph, or www.facedoc.com instead of facebook.com. And if you do not look at it closely, you will not notice that misleading part. Now, once you notice that it's a phishing site, report it immediately to your administrators or anyone supposed to be concerned about this. You usually receive messages like, your bank account has been used in Italy to check, please log into your account. But you're not actually doing any transaction in that place. Another is, your Facebook credential has been compromised. To fix the problem, please log into this link. Or a message that says your account has been locked. For your safety, to unlock, please click on this link. All this and many more like these messages are clues that you are the next victim. So be very, very careful online. And so that's it. Thank you for watching. Be safe always.